If you'd like to see what I buy at Aldi's to lose 126 pounds on the Weight Watcher Blue Plan, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I am doing a 7-day meal plan. Probably more like a little bit of an outline for a meal plan. I'm planning some 7 days of meals, or maybe 6, just because one day I might want leftovers or to be flexible, and then some ideas for lunch and breakfast. I'm sharing this shopping haul with you, so maybe you could get some ideas on what you'd like to cook for your WW meal plan for this week. So let's get started. Here's my Aldi's haul for this week. I'm going to include some recipes that I'm going to be making with the food. I'm planning on doing this 7-day meal plan and then showing you the groceries that I have bought to go along with the plan. Here's my ideas for dinner this week. I'm going to have shepherd's pie with garlic rolls. One day we'll have ranch pork chops with rice and carrots, salsa chicken with rice and corn, bubble up ranch chicken with veggies, steak with baked potatoes and asparagus, and then sloppy joes with air fried potatoes. Then for lunch ideas, I'm going to have a grilled cheese sandwich, which I will make in the air fryer, a turkey and tomato sandwich using 2-point bread and some fresh tomatoes, some fish cakes out of tilapia, which is in an upcoming video, chili lime chicken burger, and then I was thinking of making a snack box lunch, and then I'm trying a recipe for bean salad with a mix of beans, and I thought that would be a good lunch idea. Then my ideas for breakfast for this coming week is oatmeal, then eggs over hash browns with bacon. I'm going to make some sausage pancake muffin out of Kodiak pancake mix, a cheese omelet, some avocado toast, and some fruit with yogurt. And then for snacks and desserts this week, I'm going to make a scoopable apple pie and then just fruit. So I'm trying to limit my snacks so I'll have a good week. So that is my meal plan for the week coming forward. So the first thing I'm going to do is meats. I have bought some thin sliced boneless pork chops. They are only 3 points for 3 ounces. I will trim the fat, and I'm making a recipe for ranch pork chops in either the slow cooker or the Instant Pot, and that is a really tasty recipe, and I'll serve that with rice and a vegetable. Bought some 96% lean ground beef. I got a deal on them. They were both $1 off the package, and I were going to make some sloppy joes out of one, and then the next one will be a shepherd's pie, and those recipes will be linked below. I got some tilapia fillets. I also got $1 off of this and I'm going to be making some fish cakes for lunch, and that is a good deal on these tilapia fillets. I bought a large package of chicken breast. I will be making a couple meals out of that. One is salsa chicken, which I use a jar of salsa and some taco seasoning, and that is a simple, you could either put it in the oven or in the slow cooker. And then the other recipe, I'm going to be making a chicken and bubble up with some biscuits that I had in the refrigerator. So that is the plans for my chicken. Bought a top sirloin steak, which I will be making in my Ninja foodie grill. It's a great way to make these steaks, you see, and they come out perfectly tender and perfectly medium rare, so they're really good. I bought some center cut bacon. This is a 1 point per slice, I believe. If it's something different, I'll put it on the screen. Another breakfast item, I bought some frozen shredded hash browns. These are only 2 points for 1.25 cups of the frozen hash browns. And I like to make them with fried eggs for one of my favorite breakfasts. Some fire roasted vegetables at Aldi's. These are a good side dish. I like the fire roasted flavor of any vegetables. I could roast fresh vegetables in the air fryer all the time, and that makes it really tasty. Or if you don't have an air fryer, you can always use the oven. Another vegetable I bought is asparagus. I like to saute those, and it makes for a nice tasty side dish. Some carrots, a bag of frozen mixed vegetables for my shepherd's pie recipe. I bought 2 avocados. I bought a bag of the teeny tiny avocados at Trader Joe's, and I found that they ripened up quickly, and I ended up throwing them away. So I decided I'm going to just buy these single serving 2 at a time. I like them for avocado toast. And I also have some chili lime burgers that I'm going to be making for lunch. So I have those in the freezer, and I'm going to top it with some sliced avocado. I found these keto friendly buns at Aldi's. These are only 1 point a piece, so they are good point value. I usually buy the Aunt Millie's brand, but I haven't been able to find them, and I was lucky to find these at Aldi's. So I'll be using these for my chicken sandwiches and my sloppy joes. A package of fresh broccoli for a side for a meal. I bought some dirty rice from Aldi's. These are 6 points per cup, and I use this as a side probably for my chicken salsa. I have some of these turkey sausage snack sticks. They are only 1 point a piece. If you like the traditional beef smokies, these are a good substitute. Of course, I got a container of the Stoke iced coffee. It is pretty cheap. It was the best price at Aldi's, probably about $4.48, I think. So that is a good price. I usually have this every day. I got a bag of Granny Smith apples to make my scoopable apple pie. This is really great to have around, especially now that it's getting into the fall season, cooler temperatures. It is a great recipe, and I'll link it above. I made it on a video before, so if you haven't tried it, try it. So got some bananas and a container of strawberries. Strawberries are going to be going out of season pretty soon, so I got to get some in while they're still nice and red and ripe. I got a can of tomato paste for my shepherd's pie, and also several cans of tomato sauce to have around. I think I am making some cabbage casserole, stuffed cabbage casserole tonight, so I needed some of this sauce, and also a can of tomato soup. And I got a can of kidney beans. I'm going to be making a bean salad, I believe, and I needed a can of beans. I was trying to use up some of the beans I have in my pantry already, so I'm going to be making that with some onions and make some flavorful bean salad. I also bought a bag of russet potatoes for the mashed potatoes for the shepherd's pie, and some baked potatoes as a side dish for the steak. Can of the original cooking spray to cook with, so you save points on cooking. And then for some non-food items, I bought some Febreze air freshener in an apple scent, some dishwashing tablets, and then a 3-wick candle. They're only $3.99, and this one smells so good. It's rosewater sangria. So that is my Aldi's haul for this week. I hope you enjoy me including the plans for the different meals I'm going to make. And I will, like I said, will link the recipes below. Please comment below if you like to shop at Aldi's and what is your favorite item that you buy at Aldi's on the Weight Watcher Blue Plan meals that you may be having. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!